welcome to another episode in Nappy's Vegan Kitchen. So today is the start of one of my favorite new series. It's going to be a Thanksgiving series where we'll be learning how to host a vegan Thanksgiving. If you can't tell already, I love the holidays. I super love Thanksgiving and I even more love Christmas, so I cannot wait to do all the Christmas videos. So for this video, which is the first of the Thanksgiving series, we're going to be learning how to make a savory sweet potato casserole. If you think about sweet potato casseroles, normally you probably think of the sweet mashed potatoes with the marshmallows on top, which is really good, and I love making that too, and you can also make that vegan. It's very simple. We could also make a video if you want, just let me know, comment down below. But for this sake, we're going to be exploring a savory one because I thought it's not really made as much. So really easy, it's super filling, it's yummy, and it has a nice different little twist. So if normally you put mashed potatoes as a side dish at your Thanksgiving dinner, then maybe you want to try this version. So it's got the sweet potatoes, it's got mushrooms, it has sauteed onions with fried onions on top, some butter crumbs, so all the yummy Thanksgiving carbs that we all need. Alright, so let's get this Thanksgiving started. Right, friends, so there you have it. I hope you love this recipe. I think it's a really nice twist, something new for Thanksgiving. If you're going to a potluck, I think it'll be a really big hit at any Friendsgiving kind of Thanksgiving, or maybe normal Thanksgiving. You'll definitely have to like onions if you're gonna do this recipe. It's got sauteed onions, as you notice. It has the fried onions on top, but honestly, if you use the yellow onions and they're baked, it's not really that strong of a flavor, at least not in my experience. But I also really love onions, so I don't care. If you have any favorite Thanksgiving dishes that you'd love for me to explore and make them vegan or try something different, just leave me a comment down below so I'll know, and I'll definitely would love to make them for you. There's going to be plenty more of these Thanksgiving videos, so be sure to subscribe on the red box down below and hit the bell so that you get notified as soon as a new video comes out, because I know you want some inspiration. I'd love to see if you guys are making these. Please tag me on Instagram. I'd love to share some pictures and see what you guys are making. Thanks so much for watching. Adios!